mean, variance and standard deviation of a random variable. Now we have done the mean, variance and standard deviation in the statistics. Now we are going this for the probability distribution. So let's drive the formulas. Now let X be a discrete random variable assuming values x1, x2, xn with respective probabilities P1, P2, Pn where P1 plus P2 plus Pn is always equal to 1. Is it clear? Now we define mean with a symbol that is mu. Is it clear? Mean is with mu. Now it is, mean will be summation of Pi with xi divided by Pi. Is it clear? Or this is equal to summation of with Pi xi. Now we have done the summation of the probabilities is 1. So this divided by 1 is this itself. Now then we are having variance. Now variance, it will be given as summation of Pi with xi minus mu whole square divided by I is equal to 1 with Pi. Is it clear? So this is variance. Now let's drive it formula in the easy way. Okay. Now this becomes xi minus mu whole square. Now to this part, what we can write it? Summation of Pi with xi square plus mu square minus 2 mu xi using the identity, and now this becomes, so let me write this one first. Okay, this implies this one is equal to this here. Okay, now this becomes, first of all, Pi xi square plus mu square Pi multiplying by this minus 2 mu summation of, it was 2 mu xi, summation of pi xi. Now is equal to is it clear? Because n summation of pi from n terms starting from the 1, it is what? Summation of pi is 1. So, or you can write it mu square times 1, okay, and this one it is already from the mean that this is equal to mu, okay. So now this becomes pi xi square minus mu square. So variance can be given as n I is equal to 1 pi xi square minus mean square. This is the formula for the variance. Now for the standard deviation, standard deviation is equal to square root of variance. This is equal to square root of so these are the three formulas which we are going to use.